Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, August 25th. And we are looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, we're getting basically what I would have expected after yesterday's action. Tremendous chop. SPY and ES been all over the map inside of yesterday's range. Incredibly mechanical. We got to within 6 cents of yesterday's low. Obviously, that's the goal of the sellers, is take out yesterday's low to put the daily back into balance, and the buyers want to defend that. One real big note of concern is this volume. Yesterday, just under 39 million shares, again at an all-time high. Again, yes, this market can continue to grind higher on this type of volume, but in the bigger picture, it's not sustainable, and in the bigger picture, if they don't get help from longer-term frame buyers, when they give this up, they'll give it up hard and fast like they've done countless times in the past. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. We have Jackson Hole starting tomorrow. So again, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we get kind of a repeat of the last 2 days. We traded totally inside of the upper distribution yesterday. We'll see if any weak longs at some point today want to get out from the last 2 days. That's all I think it would be prior to that meeting. As far as destinations, you should have everything I gave you yesterday. I'm only going to give you the two overnights. Right now, the overnight high is 448.42, and the overnight low is 447.48. As far as a game plan, I expect tremendous chop in SPY, ES, Q, and triple Q, right? Look at them. They're all in balance, in value. Russell, remember, Russell one time framed up a good part of the afternoon. No single prints, though. The only thing they have to lean on is yesterday's F's low as their afternoon pullback. So again, there could be some major chop inside of all three of these indices, especially if we're going to get a day of kind of waiting like we did yesterday. As far game plan early, either now or at 9:30. Again, I did not use G as an afternoon pullback. But if it does pull back and you want to see if they front run now the overnight low and yesterday's low, that's a good risk reward. If it comes in, you could take a long. If it takes out yesterday's low, if there's any acceleration whatsoever, I'd get out, because then they're going to probably go and test the bottom of the upper distribution from the 23rd. If there's no acceleration, then all they want to do is stop the one-time framing. So that's a good risk reward long against that. As far as a short, there's really nothing in here. If we were to push all the way up, I would take a short probably somewhere against yesterday's high. Or better yet, against the overnight high, which is just below yesterday's all-time high. Now, in the next 75 minutes, if we were to gap lower, then it would be a different story and a different game plan. But for right now, in balance, in value, that's kind of what I'm looking at. It's going to be patience, just like yesterday was. Just think about it. If you were patient the entire day yesterday, and finally, when they took out L's low, you could have taken a put play, used M's high as your out, and look at the rewards you got. So it's not the amount of trades you take, it's the quality of the trades you take. And then again, just quickly on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily. One time framing up for 3 days. Up, monthly up, weekly I'm calling balance to up. So plain and simple. For buyers, they want to continue this and hold yesterday's low. For sellers, they want to take out yesterday's low, take it, and come into a 3-day balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.